we're gonna go over today 2 escapes, 1 basic, 1 a little bit more advanced. But before we go over that, we're gonna go over foundational principles of turtle. So like, there's 2 ways to play turtle. There's an open turtle, right? Where elbows are on the top lined up with the knees, or they're in the outside, right? So if I try to push my partner over, it's gonna be very hard to, because he has elbows out. But as you know, you get hooks. That's the trade-off. If he goes tight turtle, inside elbows, right? Even though you cannot get hooks in, it becomes very easy to bump him to the side, down to the hip, go back. Or if I want to just push him over, it's too easy to, because he has nothing to base out on. So go back. If you don't know what to do in a turtle position and your opponent does this and you can't get anything in, just remember, if you can break him down, go back, or you can push him over. I'm gonna push you this way. He's gonna base out with his hand, right? He gives you space for hooks. Okay, so now we're gonna go over defense first. Take the turtle on me. Basic turtle escape that works probably at the higher levels, highest levels, especially in ADCC where there's a lot of scrambling. You see it all the time. It's just a basic Granby roll. It doesn't work very well if you let your opponent like get to turtle, but let's say Davud is in a front headlock, and let's say he's transitioning to turtle. As he transitions, it becomes very easy to Granby roll out and get your guard back. But we're gonna do it from this turtle. So I'm never rolling on my outside shoulder. It's just a simple Granby roll on my inside shoulder. And if your opponent stays there, just think in your head, picture omoplata next, even though if they stay there and get omoplata, they're not that good. But from here, right, we're doing a Granby roll underneath. He's probably going to turn. And we're gonna get to a basic guard position. Let's try it again. From here, he's got the tight waist. I immediately just start the Granby roll, and I'm trying to recover my guard this way. Let's try that. 3, 2, 1.